Look, a quick way to utilize your homestead pond, if you're in an area where you're short on water, South Louisiana, we don't worry about that. In some places you do. Get you a small pond. Oh, it don't have to cover much. What? This is what, 1/8 of an acre?
About an eighth, yeah.
All right. Around this pond, plant your fruit trees. They'll grow down, tap into your pond, water itself, and take care of it. Not only your fruit trees, your native plants that you want to use, your wax myrtles, your wild persimmons, your Yaupon holly. The Starkey Farmstead has this planted around their pond. She can take the Yaupon holly, make her coffee, her tea. She got a persimmon she can or make wine or whatever. You got your wax myrtles for scent and candles. And the pond has fish. So I mean, it's a win-win-win. But don't just put a pond out there and leave it sit. Utilize it. See this area, look, these little ponds, you can use natural fish, catfish, sac-a-lait, brim, whatever. Or you can put tilapia and crawfish and raise it. You don't need much. The pond's only about 9 foot deep in the center. But if you look how they have set up, you got the little logs, little tree limbs going down in the water. That's ideal for your minnows and your crawfish, baby crawfish. That way they have a place to grow and develop and move out. This little pond is like a little grocery store. I mean, you know, you got your minnows, your catfish.
We have turtles, nice sized snappers in here.
Oh yeah, and turtles.
The biggest snapping turtle is Hammer's nemesis. You know how every hero in a comic book,
Yeah.
there's a nemesis. Well, the German Shepherd has about a 6-pound snapping turtle that is his arch enemy, and every day he spends half his day running him off the bank and back into the water. Funny thing, he never gets that big beautiful nose too close to that snapper. He's done learned. He stays just far enough back. And the little dog kills the snakes. I'm just going to tell you all the truth. People ask me about snakes all the time.
There's something down there.
Of course there is. We patrol it for one with a 22, and then we take the biggest things out of here that are dangerous. But the dogs do most of it too.
This is something, boy. But this little pond, it can be a lot of fun, you know. And it's really for a homestead. It's a good addition. Your land is sloped. The runoff goes right here.
Yeah.
You're maintaining your water,
Hammers.
and it keeps seeping in the ground, bringing that water table back up. So it's a win-win-win.